The ocean is full of strange and wonderful creatures, but few are as fascinating, mysterious, and downright weird as the octopus. These underwater animals are known for their incredible intelligence, their ability to change color and shape, and their slippery way of escaping danger. But did you know that octopuses don't have just one heart like most animals? They actually have three. That's right, octopuses have three hearts, and each of them has a very special job. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of octopuses and find out exactly why these amazing animals need three hearts to survive. Let's start with a basic question. Why do animals need hearts in the first place? Well, a heart's main job is to pump blood around the body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body that need them. It also helps remove waste products like carbon dioxide. In most animals, including humans, one heart is enough to do the job. But octopuses are not like most animals. They live underwater, they move in special ways, and their bodies work a little differently. That's why nature gave them not one, not two, but three hearts. So how do these three hearts work? Each one has a specific job. Two of the hearts are called branchial hearts. These hearts are located near the octopus's gills. Their job is to pump blood to the gills, where the blood picks up oxygen from the water. Once the blood is full of oxygen, the third heart comes in. This one is called the systemic heart. The systemic heart takes the oxygen-rich blood and pumps it to the rest of the body. So while the two branchial hearts focus on collecting oxygen, the systemic heart spreads that oxygen around. It's a team effort. But here's something even more surprising. When an octopus starts to swim, its main heart, the systemic heart, actually stops beating. That's right. When they're swimming, the heart that delivers oxygen to their body takes a little break. This might sound dangerous, but octopuses are used to it. It's one reason why they prefer crawling along the ocean floor rather than swimming through open water. Swimming is tiring for an octopus because their heart pauses, which means their body gets less oxygen. Crawling, on the other hand, lets them move slowly and stay oxygenated. Now you might be wondering, why did octopuses evolve to have such a complicated system in the first place? Why not just have one heart that does everything? The answer lies in their blood and how it works. Unlike humans, whose blood is red because it contains iron-rich hemoglobin, octopuses have blue blood. That's because their blood contains a copper-rich molecule called hemocyanin. Hemocyanin helps octopuses carry oxygen in cold, deep-sea environments where oxygen levels are low. But there's a catch. Hemocyanin isn't as efficient as hemoglobin. It doesn't carry oxygen as well. So octopuses need more help getting enough oxygen. That's where the extra hearts come in. The three hearts work together to keep oxygen flowing through the octopus's body, even when conditions are tough. This special system helps the octopus survive in places that would be difficult for other animals. Some species of octopus live thousands of meters below the surface of the ocean, where the water is cold, dark, and low in oxygen. Thanks to their unique circulatory system, octopuses can thrive in these extreme environments. It's a perfect example of how evolution creates solutions to difficult problems. Octopuses are part of a group of animals called cephalopods, which also includes squids, cuttlefish, and nautiluses. Most cephalopods have similar features, but the octopus stands out for its amazing brain and complex behaviors. Scientists believe that the octopus's three hearts may also play a role in how they manage energy throughout their bodies. Since their arms can act independently, each arm has its own mini nervous system. Delivering oxygen efficiently to all those moving parts is incredibly important. Think of it like a delivery system that's been split up into different routes to make sure every part gets what it needs as quickly as possible. Let's take a moment to appreciate how active and clever octopuses really are. They solve puzzles, open jars, use tools, and even escape from aquariums by squeezing through tiny spaces. All of this takes brainpower and physical energy. Their unique circulatory system, powered by three hearts, helps them perform these complex actions by keeping their organs and muscles supplied with oxygen, even in tough conditions. Another incredible thing about octopuses is how they can change their color and texture to blend into their surroundings. They use special skin cells called chromatophores to do this. These cells allow octopuses to match the colors and patterns of rocks, coral, or sand almost instantly. But color changing isn't just about hiding, it's also a way to communicate. Octopuses might flash colors to warn off predators or signal to other octopuses. All of this takes a lot of control and coordination, which again ties back to their need for a steady supply of oxygen to their skin, nerves, and muscles. Another job that their hearts help manage. Let's talk about something else that makes octopuses amazing: their ability to squeeze into the smallest places. Octopuses don't have any bones in their bodies. They are entirely soft-bodied, which means they can flatten and squeeze through holes the size of a coin. This is a huge advantage when hiding from predators or sneaking into small spaces to hunt for prey. But squeezing and twisting in these ways also requires precise muscle control and quick reactions. Again, their hearts work overtime to make sure every part of their body has the oxygen it needs to move and react quickly. So what happens when an octopus gets scared or stressed? Just like in other animals, stress can affect how their hearts work. When frightened, an octopus might release a cloud of dark ink to escape danger. This takes a sudden burst of energy. Their hearts, especially the systemic heart, have to respond quickly to get oxygen where it's needed. After a stressful moment like that, an octopus might hide in a cave and stay still for a while to recover. During this time, their heart rate slows down, allowing them to rest and recharge. Did you know that octopuses only live for a few years depending on the species? Some only live for 1 year, while others may live up to 5. During that time, their hearts are constantly working to keep them alive and active. When an octopus is ready to lay eggs, the female will protect her eggs for weeks or even months without leaving them. She stops eating and uses all her remaining energy to keep her eggs safe. Eventually, her heart slows down and stops, and she dies shortly after the eggs hatch. It's a sad but powerful example of how every part of an octopus's body, including her 3 hearts, is dedicated to survival and life. Even more interesting is how the hearts respond during movement. When swimming, the systemic heart stops. This is such a rare thing in the animal kingdom. Most creatures need their hearts working all the time, but the octopus's systemic heart is wired to pause during this intense activity. That means swimming is not something they do all the time. It's more of an emergency move. They'll swim to get away from danger fast, but the moment they can stop, they go back to crawling or hiding, letting their heart start up again and recover from the burst. This leads scientists to think about how energy and oxygen are managed differently in sea creatures compared to land animals. On land, we breathe air, and it's relatively easy to get oxygen to our lungs. But underwater, everything is harder. Water is heavier and contains less oxygen, so animals like octopuses have to work extra hard to get enough. Having 3 hearts is like having a supercharged oxygen delivery system that makes it all possible. Another fun fact is that octopuses have a closed circulatory system. That means their blood stays inside blood vessels and moves in a loop through the body. This is similar to humans, but not all animals have this system. Some sea creatures have open circulatory systems, where blood just washes over their organs. The closed system in octopuses is more efficient and lets them deliver oxygen more precisely. Again, helped along by their 3 hearts. To sum it all up, octopuses are some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth, and their 3 hearts are a big part of what makes them so special. 2 of their hearts pump blood to the gills to collect oxygen, and the 3rd heart sends that oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. Their copper-based blood helps them survive in cold, deep water, and their efficient heart system allows them to be fast, smart, and sneaky. Whether they're squeezing through tight spaces, camouflaging with their environment, or escaping predators with a cloud of ink, those 3 hearts are always working behind the scenes to keep the octopus alive and ready for action. So the next time you see an octopus in an aquarium or on a nature show, remember, you're looking at a creature with not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts working in perfect harmony. And that's just one of the many reasons octopuses are some of the most extraordinary animals in the ocean.